At the University of Ulster Law School, we teach law on two separate campuses. On both these campuses, we enjoy very high rates of student satisfaction as measured in the National Student Survey. And we're also one of the top law schools in the UK in terms of our research outputs, in fact in the top 15 out of the 67 odd law schools in the UK. So overall, we're really one of the top schools in the United Kingdom. So what is it that makes studying law at Ulster different from studying law at other universities? We take a quite practical, applied approach. So we have high degrees of problem-based learning within our programs. That is, we use workshops based around problems rather than teach abstractly through principles or concepts. We try to make those principles and concepts come alive through illustrating them with problems and having students work out the problems and then reaching the concepts through a kind of ladder of progression. The law school maintains very close links with our sister school, the Graduate School for Professional Legal Education. Once again, this is an illustration of our desire to, at undergraduate level, introduce students very early to the practical techniques of learning and practicing law. And so we have a very good fluid relationship with the Graduate School, which is the school attached to the University of Ulster, which provides professional legal educational training. At the undergraduate level, in terms of teaching techniques that very well illustrate our focus on student support and on practical learning techniques, is that we've instituted a kind of a buddy system or mentoring system, something that we call the PASS system, the Peer Assisted Study Skills Program, which means that as a new incoming student, you would have the opportunity to be tutored by students from higher years who would pass on their experience, not in the actual knowledge of law, but in the kind of practical techniques of how the library works, how to do referencing, where you can find particular materials, how useful it is to follow particular pathways like organizing your own work materials in a particular way or organizing your timetable in a particular way. So we really try to help out new incoming students with how they will see a proper pathway through their degree progression.